Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G34 smartphone. In this video you will learn how to deactivate double tap to turn on the screen in your phone Moto G34. First put lock screen and double tap on it. Phone screen will be waked up. If you don't want this and if you want to deactivate double tap to turn on, yes you can do it. What you have to do is go to the settings of your phone here, then go to home and lock screen, then go to lock screen, then go to jump to lock screen and turn off. Okay, turn off use jump to lock screen. Now check, go to lock screen and double tap on it, but it still wake up. So you go to do one more settings. For that again go to the same settings and lock screen and etc. Then here you go to click on back the display option, and here tapping the display should be turned off. Okay, untick it and now put lock and try to double tap on the empty screen. Now first screen will not be waked up. So double tap to turn on the screen is deactivated now. In this way you can easily deactivate double tap to turn on the screen in your phone Moto G34. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.